We have just finished our season of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is the first time Emmanuel College has had a 2-week season for a musical. About 140 students involved in the productions, on stage, in the pit and behind the scenes. And we're super proud of every single one of them.
We have 35 students actually playing the music live the whole way through the show, and this is one of the largest orchestras we've actually had in the history of Emmanuel College. I think every single student that's sitting here has gone above and beyond the expectations that we had of them.
It's been a really good experience. All the rehearsals were really fun as well. And then just with all of the cast, it's been super fun. Just getting to know everyone a bit better as well.
I feel like it's extra special for us because it is like 13 years of our life, and it's all kind of like culminated to this moment.
It's just been like such a great time with all these people.
They're just like such easy people to spend like multiple hours with per week.
9 months.
Over the course of 9 months. It's been the best.
The show was a wonderful success. We had an absolute ball. It was a great vibe.
The kids are really excited, and the dancing in the change rooms and the makeup and the warm-ups have all been amazing.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory has been fantastic. Had such a great time. Band's been fantastic. Really enjoyed working with the kids and with staff. Longest run we've had with the musical, 8 performances. 8.
It was actually really good. I've actually really been enjoying it. Every night has been fantastic with the whole crew. Everyone putting in their own part.
Feeling absolutely wonderful. The roll of a lifetime. It doesn't get better than this, does it?
The show's been absolutely incredible. I've had so much fun, and going on stage every night is just the favourite part of my day.
It's been an absolute joy.
I could not be more proud of this group of students. I think they have produced the most beautiful piece of theatre with humour and talent, and it's just been the most fantastic experience.
No, just a big thank you to everyone, all the cast, everyone who came and watched, just making it possible.